So this is Martin Fireworks tent in Smyrna. This is the largest firework tent in Rutherford County. These guys have been going at this for 30 years now, so they have a huge selection, as you can see, all the way down there, and then the whole side over here is all fireworks. These guys are open 24 hours, and they definitely know what they're doing. They have so many products, really solid products. Everything is buy one get one free here. You can see here's like your magical shots and your color pearls. Get into your parachutes, your giant parachute cakes, a 250 parachute cake. Yeah, a couple other items are being sold for the prices that the owners bought them for 30 years ago this year, in fact, to celebrate their 30th anniversary. So you got some cannon shells, brand new straight A's from Brothers this year. Those are really solid. I haven't seen Ruckus anywhere. That's pretty impressive. You got Homeland favorites. Trying to show you guys some prices on these. And remember, everything's buy one get one free, so these prices are actually pretty solid for what you're getting here. You got the got a Hellcat mini pack, which is cool. You got Do or Die. That's a solid cake too. Big and Bad, I've heard, is good. Silver Screen. You got Two Fishy as well. You can either buy one get one free with these items, or you can also, let's say you buy a $30 product, you can buy two $15 cakes and get those two free. Or you can buy three $10 cakes and get those free. It's a really loose system. It's a very cool system. You got smoke and mirrors there. Got the strafe. Got this giant here. The Rubicon is apparently still being made. I did not know that. Very impressive shell kit there. They had the Everest shells, $90. Pretty good deal, considering you could get 45 bucks a shell kit. That is actually a really good deal. Quest is $140. X-Force triple breaks. Ball shells are getting rare, so remember, price increases are not their fault. This absolute monster here. A couple of absolute beasts. You can see, some of these things are definitely priced to sell. They will be getting through these pretty quickly. Monstrous Palm, that's a Firehawk cake. It's pretty nice, no ab. Bombshell Diamonds. Artistic Pyro, I've never heard of that one. Chest of the Pirates, that's a big circle cake there. $99.99. Total Gossip. A couple of other different cakes back through here. Wind Up is pretty good. Over the Moon, classic cake there. Hella Sweet, that is also a very nice 500 gram, I think. Yes, it is a 500 gram cake. Flashback, that is, I believe, new for 2018 or 2019. They have the inside job, which means that they bought the 4-piece assortment. And then that's your main products. You got assortments over there, Roman candles, novelties, and a humongous row of fountains. Not going to go all the way down here because there's some water. That's a new fountain this year. Glam Gala, that's a classic. Drink Box, a couple of others. Good old cones. Got some real nice stuff. Got the mini snow cones. Those are adorable this year. All the way over to your rockets. There's some Firehawks, some Linda, some really good choices in there. And then that's gonna about wrap this up.